In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region you're playing on in League of Legends, meaning the actual game server your account is connected to. Whether you want to play on a different server to join friends, experience a different player base, or simply move your account to another region, the process is actually very simple. So, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your League of Legends client and log into your account. Once you're inside the client, a lot of people usually think that changing their region can be done through the settings menu. So they click on the settings icon and start searching through all the options, hoping to find something related to account settings or server selection. However, you'll notice that there isn't a direct option there for changing your region. Some players also try opening the Riot Games launcher and checking around there as well, expecting to find a region switch option, but you won't be able to change your active server from there either. What you actually need to do is go to your account section and access the account settings area. Once you open that section, you'll find the available server regions that you can transfer your account to. You'll see different options depending on availability, such as Latin America, Japan, Middle East, and several other regions. Now, when you select the region you want to move to, you'll notice that changing your server is not completely free. Riot charges RP, also known as Riot Points, for account transfers. The cost is usually around 2,600 RP, although prices may vary depending on updates or your region. If you don't currently have enough RP on your account, you can purchase additional Riot points through the in-game store or through Riot's available payment methods. After getting enough RP, simply complete the transfer process, confirm your selection, and your account will be moved to the new server region. That's pretty much all there is to it. The process is very quick and only takes a few minutes to complete once you have enough RP available on your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on the video. It really helps support the channel, and thanks for watching.